In front of me is VIVO X80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this little icon of a plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files. Now to add an audio one, hit Audio at the top. Look for it here. Access one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner and access one of those sources to find it. When you finished, hold it and choose Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one instead, select Gallery. Click on your video if it's recent and decide if you wish to send it as Google Photos link or low quality video. Then hit Add at the bottom right corner. If your video isn't recent, tap on Folders. Click on it here and select Google Photos link or low quality video again. This time though, select just once or always at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!